Good day everyone. Today I will show you how to solve right triangle.
Good day everyone. Ngayon magsasolve tayo ng right triangle. So ito yung problem. Meron tayong given na right triangle which is A, B, and C. Which is A is equal to, and then ang isang angle which is the angle B is equal to 25 degree. So pag sinabi nating solving the right triangle, hanapin natin yung mga missing parts na hindi given sa problem. So in this case, kailangan natin mahanap yung value ng side B, value ng side C, at value ng angle A. So pag sa ang pinakamadaling unang hanapin is yung value ng angle A kapag meron kang isang given na angle. So itong 25 degree. So i-apply lang natin yung concept ng sum ng interior angle which is A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So since angle A is unknown, so put lang natin ang angle A. So B is equal to 25 degrees, and then ang C is equal to 90 degree. So magiging 180 degree siya. So angle A is equal to, so transpose lang natin yung 25 at 90. So bale magiging 180 90 degrees minus 25 degrees minus 90 degrees. So therefore angle A is equal to 65 degrees. So ang angle A is equal to 65 degrees. So paano naman natin masosolve sa hypotenuse C? So i-base natin sa given sa right triangle kung anong trigonometry ratio yung gagamitin natin. So since meron tayong acute angle B which is 25 degree, and then adjacent niya is side A is equal to 2, so pwede natin gamitin yung cosine ratio para ma-solve si C, dahil ang cosine ng isang angle ay equal sa ratio ng adjacent over hypotenuse. So therefore we can have cosine B of angle B equal to A over hypotenuse C. So substitute natin yung value. We have cosine B equal to 25, to which is 2 is over C, so unknown. So solving this equation for C, we can multiply both sides by C, so therefore there's C near both sides. And then we have C times cosine 25 degree equal to 2 over C times C. Then finally divide both sides by cosine 25 degrees. So therefore, so ang natira na lang is 2 over cosine 25. So using calculator, ma-solve natin si C as approximately 2.21. So isosolve natin dito sa calculator. So 2 over cosine 25 degree. So ang answer is 2.20. So since 6 ang kasunod yung number, so magiging 1 yung 0 dahil ni-round off natin. So therefore ang side C is equal to 2.21. So lastly, we need to find the value of the side B. So pwede natin gamitin dito yung Pythagorean theorem kasi meron na tayong dalawang given side, itong A at yung na-solve natin na C. Kung i-base lang natin sa original given, pwede rin tayo gumamit ng trigonometric ratio. So gamit tayo ng trigonometric ratio base sa given. Meron tayong angle B na angle B, and then itong opposite side na B is unknown as well. Adjacent sa B is given. So, pwede naman natin gamitin yung tangent ratio. So, ito, tangent ratio. Kasi, yung tangent B is equal to opposite over adjacent. So, yung opposite side B. So, tan B, so ito, opposite over adjacent. So, tan B equals to side B and side A. So, we are going to multiply this by 2. So, ito, 2 times tan 25 degrees equal to B over 2. So, cancel out lang natin yung 2. So, ang natitira na lang is yung B. So, 2 tan B of 25 degrees equals to B. So, B is equal to 0.93. So, i-solve natin siya sa calculator. 2 tan 25 degrees. So ito yung answer. So, 0.93. So, yung side B natin is 0.93. So, yun lang lahat. Tapos na natin yung pag-solve sa lahat ng missing parts sa problem na ito. Maraming salamat.